Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty stir-fried meat using Chimas cooking products. You can able to get this product in Kenya. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need some lamb meat, or you can use any other meat that you prefer, ginger garlic paste, some salt to taste, curry paste, 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 large slices of onion, and lastly, you can use some lime or you can use some lemon juice. So I'll start by marinating my meat using this product from Chimas Cooking. The first step, make sure you've cleaned your meat and add the sliced onions. Then afterwards, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of curry pastes. This is a combination of different spices that you can able to use in different dishes like pilau, biryani and stew. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 3 to 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, and lastly some salt to taste, and mix the meat very well. So when you're using this product from Chimas Cooking, you don't need to add any extra spices because these products are well spiced to make your work or to make your cooking more easier. Lastly, you're going to add some lime juice or you can use some lemon juice and mix the meat very well. You can place the meat to marinate for at least 1 hour or you can cook the meat immediately, that's up to you. The next step, place your meat on a medium heat. Then cover your meat to let it cook slowly by slowly until nicely cooked. After around 30 to 40 minutes, my meat is nicely cooked and soft as you can see in the video, and serve on a plate. Then serve your meat on a plate and you can eat along with some ugali, rice, chapati, mandazi, bread or anything that you like, and enjoy this delicious stir-fried meat. For those interested to purchase this product from Chimas Cooking, these are the contact number. She's located in Mombasa, Kenya, but she delivers worldwide. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.